Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a video about Manta Network, and I will be talking about various things about Manta and why it's up and why it could go up even more. So first of all, the reason it's down is solely because of BTC, and this actually downtrend is not because of BTC, but this one is because of BTC. So first of all, as you can see, the BTC actually is going down, and there is a reason behind that, because as you can see, we have a report from Cointelegraph that center pressures SEC's Gensler not to approve any more crypto ETFs. So basically that means that there may not be an Ethereum ETF as of now, and even others. So that could be a problem. And we also have another news that we had a new record for daily volume, but that I don't think that has any impact on the price. And beside that, the Bitcoin is going down. That is the fact. So this was actually due to BTC as well, because I did not see this downtrend as well. So this can be understood. So as for its price, we'll come to that later. First of all, let's see why it was up. So first of all, they announced there's something called introducing a new paradigm monster ecosystem yield on Manta. So they basically gave 3 million more Manta to 11 projects. If a user interacts with those projects, they can earn extra yields on Manta and get extra Manta for free. So basically that was the purpose behind this scheme. So this I think is for the community incentive, so that is a good for community itself. So it was 2 days ago. So if we do look at its price, as you can see, the price did go up and it broke the all-time high of Manta, and it went up. So this was the first one. The second one is actually this. So they are actually had a partnership with Blast. I believe Blast is a layer 2 solution or something like that. Let's just check what this one is, because I did not actually open this one. So if time to blast off to Manta. So if they just say, so okay, so they launch a campaign where if you bridge from Blast to Manta, you actually get extra rewards. So basically that means that they are also offering free Manta as well. So all of this is a community servicing. So they had this and this. So I think that has had a good impact on Manta price as well. So another thing of what is going on with Manta, if we do look at their Twitter, they had a partnership with BlazePay. So BlazePay is basically your ultimate crypto finance destination. Okay, so basically they are something of a payment service. So that is that. So in terms of other thing, they had some they had some they had sorry so they had a review from KuCoin, I believe, and they also had a Manta ecosystem update on its ecosystem. So, and let's see what they had update about. So they had a quick swap announcing the distribution of 500k Manta airdrop, and they also had virtual labs launching their virtual mainnet on Manta Pacific. And beside that, they had what is this, Ormi Labs joined forces with Manta as well. So beside that, they had DChat is now live on Manta. DChat is a pretty big one. As you can see here, they have over 500k following on the Twitter. And they also had Snapshot, which is basically a big if you know Snapshot, they are a platform where many of the proposals are carried out for various projects. So that is for governance as well. So they also had DApp, which is basically a layer 2 for layer 2 airdrops. You can actually use DApp to secure more airdrops as well. So this was it. So they had a lot of going on in the past days, so that may have had a positive impact on its price. As you can see, because of that it actually broke this level. So first let's just look at let's just look at Manta tokenomics before coming to the price, because I think Manta could be breaking out soon, which could be a reason. So we do have a big problem, because in 3 days there will be a public sale release, so which I think may actually crash a Manta price a little bit, and there could be a good opportunity to get some entries. So these tokens belong to the public investors, which I think could be selling or taking their profit as well. So as you can see, in terms of holding Manta, I think you have to be extremely careful. If you're holding Manta, there will be a big cliff in the April, so where advisors will be getting their tokens, and as well as I believe we will have some other things going on as well. So in terms of investors, as you can see, Manta actually raised over a good money. They raised over 60 million, and so these are the investors which are included. So they had a Binance Labs as well, Polychain as well, Coin Fund, Para5 Capital as well. So let's look at the so before that, let's look at how many when will those investors get their coins. So those investors will be getting their coins in February of 2025. So I think the real sales pressure will come after Feb of 2025. So I think the Manta coin may be a good hold for at least a 1 year, and I think it does have a potential, because if we look at their DeFi, as you can see here, their DeFi has been going up pretty well. As you can see, it went up, and it is in a slight correction as of now, but still they have over 600 million in DeFi on their Manta network, which I believe is the layer 2, and they also have a market cap on 859. And in terms of their Manta Atlantic, which I believe is their layer 1 or Manta chain itself, so they have over 184 million TVL on that as well, which is pretty big as well for Manta. So if we combine these both, I think it is over 800 million TVL. So if you look at the market cap, it is 800 million. So I think Manta still has a room to grow to at least double of this market cap, or even triple. So I think the Manta coin does have a potential to hit $10 in the future. If the BTC does go up, you have to keep in mind the BTC needs to go up for Manta to pump, but still there are some rare cases when the BTC is in the when the BTC does the consolidation and the rest of the coins go up. So I think that could be the time when Manta could perform. So first of all, let's look at the Manta. So as of now, it actually broke this level, which may not be a good, because you can see the BTC is going down, and there are a lot of bears in the market taking this advantage of the news, which is basically this one, and that could, I don't think we will be going down as well. So I think the BTC may go down, but I think it will go up as well after this correction. So I think as for Manta, we had this entry around 3.32. I think this was a pretty good entry. If not, I think we actually hit a low as low as 3.18, and just a second, let me see. So I think we can actually enter at this point, and I think it could actually go up from this point, and if it breaks again this point, I think we could be going up again. If not, I think we can actually enter around. So this was the support which it actually played out around here. So I think what it did here, it actually rejected this resistance. At first it broke after that, so there was a good momentum, but not that much to break it. So it tried to reset here, as you can see here, but it did not hold that level. So it broke that support, and it went down. So I think if we again break this support, we will be coming down here around 2.7, if not 2.5. But if the support actually, I think if it goes up again, we could be heading towards 3.8 again, because it had a lot of momentum. As you can see, this momentum was pretty good, and I think there are a lot of buyers interested in Manta as well. So if the BTC does go sideways of now, I think we could be heading towards a new high soon for a Manta. So in terms of its price, I believe it could actually hit $10 in coming months if the BTC does not crash. You have to keep in mind. So this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thank you.